Near Protocol is a mid-positioned coin with a ticker NEAR that has a current worth of $5.97 and a market capitalization of $4,133,066,431. Digital currencies have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate. Some enormous speculation banks even get near protocol and other cryptographic forms of money altogether to safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors. On May 20, the cost of near protocol was at $6.10 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 4.19%. A week prior, on May 14, NEAR was esteemed at $6.51, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on April 21, the market member laid out the cost of NEAR protocol at $16.65. Consequently, the coin has made a 64.15% move to arrive at its current standings. On May 20, NEAR had a market capitalization of $4,217,007,340. Last week, on May 14, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $4,446,425,466. A month prior, on April 21, the market worth of NEAR protocol was evaluated to be $11,256,805,380. Total supply considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the all-out supply of NEAR protocol is laid out at 100,000,000 NEAR. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with NEAR arrived at the place of $282,499,759. Yesterday, on May 20, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $495,865,753. A week prior, on May 14, how much NEAR that was traded between market members was assessed at $1,395,963,527. According to the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of NEAR protocol is $5.95, and NEAR is right now positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of NEAR protocol is 692,573,799 with a market cap of $4,119,429,092. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the NEAR protocol's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.38% as of now. NEAR protocol is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The NEAR is down to nearly 7.22% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet, we don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Within the most recent 1 month, the cost of NEAR diminished by 49.593%, killing an incredible normal amount of $5.85 from its ongoing worth. This abrupt down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 35.63%, and the cost circled from a base typical cost of $9.23 to most extreme normal cost of $10.15 in the beyond 90 days. NEAR protocol is somewhere near 35.88% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $10.52 and the base typical value of was around $9.23 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Near protocol cost expectations near figure by applying profound computerized reasoning, helped specialized analysis on the past value information of Near protocol. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme authentic information for the Near coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, Near protocol market cap, Near protocol volume and barely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Near protocol price prediction 2022. According to our profound specialized examination on past value information of Near, in 2022, the cost of Near protocol is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $7.71. The Near cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $9.08, with a typical exchanging cost of $8.03. On Wednesday, digital currency costs experienced a significant pullback as their connection with stocks proceeded. Bitcoin crashed beneath $30,000, while the absolute market cap of altcoins declined to about $1.2 trillion. The Near protocol cost declined also and is as of now exchanging at $5.95, which is lower than the current week's high of $7.53. Usn not getting forward momentum. Near protocol is one of the greatest blockchain stages on the planet. Its token is esteemed at more than $4.3 billion, making it the 23rd greatest coin. This organization will probably turn into a well-disposed stage for designers to construct their decentralized applications, like those in money and gaming. To speed up this development, the designers as of late sent off the Usn Stablecoin. Like Terra United States dollars, Usn is an algorithmic stablecoin that is delicate fixed to the US dollar and is then supported by a hold store that contains the Near token and USDT. The stake to the United States dollars is done through an on-chain exchange and a self-adjusting hold store. It is likewise like Tron's USDT. The Usn stablecoin is moderately dangerous for Near protocol, taking into account that Terra United States dollars flopped even after the engineers purchased Bitcoin worth billions of dollars to get it. Other algorithmic stablecoins like Day and Neutrino have additionally lost their stakes as of late. Notwithstanding, as per CoinMarketCap, Usn is exchanging at $1, implying that the stake has held very well as of late. However, it has not gotten forward momentum like USDT. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko don't show its market cap. USDT, then again, has seen its market cap ascend to $317 million in under a month. Like other digital currencies, the Near cost declined forcefully the week before. It tumbled to a low of $3.47, which was the most minimal level since August last year. At its pinnacle, the coin was exchanging at $20. After its accident, Near shaped an alleviation rally that saw its cost retest the opposition at $7.7. Presently, this recuperation rally has vacillated, while the coin stays beneath every moving normal. Therefore, while the RSI has moved to the oversold level, the viewpoint of the coin is negative, with the following key help level being at $4. Therefore, the stop misfortune for this exchange will be at $7. What is Near protocol? Near, close to protocol, is a layer 1 blockchain that was planned as a local area-run distributed computing stage and that dispenses with a portion of the constraints that have been stalling contending blockchains, for example, low exchange speeds, low throughput and unfortunate interoperability. This gives the best climate to dapps and makes a designer and easy-to-use stage. For example, Near utilizes comprehensible record names, dissimilar to the cryptographic wallet, tends to normal to ethereum. Close additionally acquaint special arrangements with scaling issues and has its own agreement instrument called Doomslig. Near protocol is being worked by the Near Collective. People group is refreshing the underlying code and delivering updates to the environment. Its proclaimed objective is to construct a stage that is sufficiently secure to oversee high-worth resources like cashier personality and performant enough to make them valuable for regular individuals. Flux, a convention that permits engineers to make markets in light of resources, wares, true occasions, and mintbase. A NFT stamping stage are instances of undertakings being based on Near Protocol. Who are the founders of Near Protocol? Near. Close to Protocol was established by Eric Trotman, a business person with experience on Wall Street and organizer behind Viking Education. His prime supporters were Ilya Polossykin, who has over a decade of industry experience, including 3 years at Google, and Alexander Skidanov, a PC researcher that worked at Microsoft and proceeded to join Memschool, where he turned into the overseer of designing. Close to Protocol has a broad group of experienced engineers that incorporates a few International Collegiate Programming Contest (ICPC) gold medalists and victors. The group professes to have individuals with experience of building a portion of the main genuine world sharded frameworks at scale, an answer the convention is seeking after to improve blockchain adaptability. What makes Near Protocol, Near, unique? Close to utilizes its Nightshade innovation to greatly further develop exchange throughput. Nightshade is a variety of sharding in which individual arrangements of validators process exchanges and lined up across numerous sharded chains, working on the general limit of the blockchain. As opposed to standard sharding, shards in Nightshade produce a negligible